Okay, so Jackass here is trying to fix an airsoft.
I'm messing with the clip right now. Oh, what the hell? Alright, hold on.
I found it worthy of note because he figured out the funniest thing I've ever seen in my life. I'd much prefer if you did it now. Try. Will it work?
Hold on.
Yeah, fuck that clip.
Motherfucker.
Now it works.
Oh, hold on.
Of course, he fucking fixes it when I get him on camera.
Who the hell said it? Look, does that look fixed to you?
Not anymore. It
Okay.
looked pretty fixed when you had the slide on it.
I don't know. Give me a goddamn minute. You got plenty of time on it. Fucking thing.
No, like 52 minutes.
Motherfucker.
Yeah, make love to it, Snake.
Who the hell is Snake? Oh. Wow, I can't believe I just said that. What the fucking testicles?
Shoot it. Try shoot it now.
What the hell, Batman? Oh.
Try and
Ow!
Entertainment for the ages.
Shut up, bitch. Asthma.
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 Oh my god.
You know what it is?
What?
There's no clip. That's all it is.
No, that's not. It has nothing to do with it.
Shut up! I know what I'm talking about.
Shut up, bitch.
I'm white. You're not.
Shut up, bitch. What?
I hurt my eyes.
Did you?
I couldn't keep them open.
Jesus Christ.
Work! Work!
That's a motion you're used to, isn't it?
What the fuck? It's locked up. I'm not used to this. It won't work.
Yeah, smack the head. That makes it feel better.
Okay.
Break it again.
Again?
When was it fixed, right? Smells like lemons. Broke it again.
Damn it.
Where'd it go?
I don't know. Oh, God!
You scared the shit out of me. I'm all intently staring over here, all of a sudden, oh!
Ow, dude, that hurt like a goddamn thing.
Goddamn thing.
Goddamn. Commies.
Communist. Oh my god. YouTube's gonna hate us.
Whoa! Go grab it! I figured it out. Hurry, get your big ass up and go grab it.
My big ass?
Yeah, go get it. Yeah, throw your laptop on the floor. That's fucking genius. And for the record, your battery's dying. Stop.
No, it's not.
Stop playing with your balls and give me a slide. Where'd it go? Alright, take your goddamn goofy ass camera.
Hey,
Yeah, you know when I turned your camera on, there was fucking puppy dogs on it and it said like New World or something?
A what?
Small World or some shit?
Oh, that's the company that makes it. RCA.
Goofy ass fucking.
Yeah. Way to break it again.
God damn it, I thought I figured it out.
Just try shooting the slide off like you did before.
Nah, I gotta cock it. That thing, see? That has to be back there. It won't get back there. I don't know why.
Because it's not supposed to.
Yeah, it is. That's how it's cocked.
I'll cock you. Ew, wait. That's disgusting.
You fucking fruit. As soon as I fix this, I'm gonna shoot you in the face.
Let me see. Okay.
Stop trying to help me. I don't need two hands. Ow, you
Here,
hit me.
grab this.
Hold on. I'm gonna beat you with my nightstick.
Beat you with my penis. Ew.
Stop. Why are you being so goddamn gay?
I don't know.
Alright, this is Myke now. See that spring thing that he's playing with? It's supposed to be sticking.
It's not working out.
Sticking.
It's not catching at all.
I'm gonna laugh when you pinch your fingers and scream like a little bitch.
It's gonna hurt like a bitch. This shit's gonna shoot out. I called it. I called that shit.
You jackass, when am I gonna shoot you with now when you're asleep? Take your goddamn camera. Now let's record me trying to fix the shotgun.
That's not gonna work out so well.
Oh, my foot!
You're so loud. You're gonna get me in trouble or something. He's wearing anal beads around his neck. Shut up, bitch.
Fucking asthma again.
Shut up, bitch. Let's be like Dark Beginning, alright? Whoa, 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 get out of here.
I'll shoot you with my tiny little tube. God damn it. Saw it off.
Oh!
Fucking right, dude. That looks hardcore.
Nah, if only you could use it. Ever.
Damn. I didn't even think that through.
Apparently.
If I could just stick that on there somehow.
It's gonna be completely pointless.
Yes, it would. What the hell are you hitting me with? Get out of here. Shouldn't we be writing songs?
We should. But instead we're fucking with airsoft pistol shotguns. That does look badass.
I don't think that one fits.
Here, let me see. What's this?
Alright, he wants to play with the guns now. Let me get back here.
What's that screwdriver I was trying to stab you with earlier?
I think it's in my ass. Here it is. Oh, dude, I'm laying on this lead pipe thingamajiggy.
This lead pipe thingamajiggy?
Yeah, this motherfucker. Don't repeat what I said.
My dick.
What?
This lead pipe thingamajiggy, my dick. I think it looks better up there or back here.
What?
Where's it look better? There?
What, the clip?
Yeah. No, this.
What am I looking for?
This. What does it, like, aesthetically look better? Up here or back here?
Alright, now put it up there. Even though we're never gonna fucking use this thing. Back there. Definitely back there.
Yeah.
Yeah. If it's up there, it looks like some kind of... Hold on, take it off real quick. Off. What the
off.
fuck?
I'm sorry, I thought you said up. My bad.
Off. It looks better off.
Does it?
Looks like some kind of fucking futuristic 50 cal. I mean, that's just what I'm... Like, take the clip out real quick. Kick ass. Can I stop this video now? It's like 7 minutes long of pointlessness. Wait, which one am I hitting? The red one? Okay, Rambo. Whoa, what are you doing?
Huh?
Stop it! No! Don't... It won't cock!
Neither will yours, big boy. Okay, for the record, nothing's going on here. He just punched himself in the face.
It hurts so bad.
Did you punch yourself in the face?
No, I fucking got laid in 10 seconds with Beyonce.
You cocked yourself. You cocked yourself.
I'm gonna shove your head up your ass and show you how much shit you're full of.